Hello everyone, this is Shram from Learnacon, and in this video I will walk you through an interesting example of using AI in industrial automation. If you are an automation or INC engineer working on engineering design of a process plant, it is very typical to deal with piping and instrument diagrams or P&IDs. P&ID is often an important design input where you need to precisely analyze and develop instruments and valve lists. This is a very tedious task which has to go through multiple review cycles to ensure all devices and equipment have been properly identified and listed. It is often a time-consuming and meticulous process. The good news is that generative AI can assist you in this challenge, saving you tons of time and reducing potential errors. Today, I'm going to show you how we can use AI to analyze P&ID diagram and generate instrument list in just a few seconds. Okay, let's dive in. Here I have an example of a typical P&ID diagram with the standard ISA symbols. If you want to compile an instrument list based on this diagram, depends on your skill level, you may need at least about an hour. Now let's see how we can save maybe about 90% of that time. Now I'm going to switch to the AI screen. For this example, I'm going to use Google Gemini. I've already saved this P&ID diagram as a picture file, and now I'm going to upload it into Gemini. Okay, the file has been loaded. So now I'm going to tell Gemini what to do. Nice P&ID. Generate instrument list. Okay, here is our list, and we can identify typical information that we can find out in any instrument list. However, I would like to add more information, like an index column and also a range and units. Add index column on the left, add range and unit info after the service. Okay, looks better now. So if I scroll down to the end, I can see that I have an option to export to sheets. Let's see how that works. Okay, and a spreadsheet has been generated. Now I'm going to open it. Okay, this is kind of the Excel version from the Google. And if I click on the convert to table, it's going to organize it in very beautiful way. Okay, that's great. I was able to generate my instrument list using AI in less than a minute. All I need to do is just to review and update if needed. And I can also save an Excel version from this spreadsheet. Okay, that was it. I hope this video helps you to do your work more efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.